Seashell Flower. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating seashell art craft for 25 years now. Please support our handicraft industry in the Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send us a message. And for today DIY, we will create these beautiful seashells like
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand, striate beach clam, dove shells, artificial flower stamen, screw turritella, Clamrose White, and PacificTiger Lucina. Glue PacificTiger Lucina together. Put white glue to cover up the glue stick. Let's put sand to cover up the white glue. Cut the styro ball into square fit enough to be hold on top of the PacificTiger Lucina. Glue the cut styro and put inside the shell. Put the white glue on the top of the styrofoam so that it will stay in place. Let's put sand on top to cover up the glue and styrofoam. Make a circle in a white plate using glue, then put the Striate beach clam shell around, then slightly overlap. Then put the small one with artificial stamen or artificial pearl in the middle. Using cutter, pull it out slowly and plate the finished shell flower. Glue 3 Clamrose shells together. Glue the shell flower into the tip of the wire. Cut the wires on your desired length. Glue the Clamrose shell into the tip of wire. the screw Turritella to the tip of the wire. Glue the dove shell to the tip of the wire. And now we are ready to arrange our seashell flowers. Combine as one Turritella, dove shell, and Clamrose, and use Floral Tape to cover the wire. Stick into the styro all the wires with seashells on top of it. You may use gloves because the glue is hot. Use any artificial leaves that match on your seashell arrangement. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.